Good news for Ripple XRP investors' critical data has been announced. According to Ripple's latest market report, XRP Ledger XRPL saw more than double the number of transactions in the first quarter of 2024 compared to the previous quarter, and the average transaction cost was almost halved. Welcome back to Crypto Educate channel. Before we dive deep into today's topic, you know your support is important to me. Kindly like my video, share it, subscribe, comment, and please watch to the end. Without any further ado, let's get down to business. According to the report published on May 17th, XRPL on-chain transaction activity increased by 108%, with approximately 251.39 million in the first quarter of 2024, compared to a total of 121.03 million in the last quarter of 2023. Additionally, the average cost per transaction decreased by 45% to approximately $0.000856. 6 XRP trading volume distribution among cryptocurrency exchanges remained stable in the first quarter of the year. Binance, Bybit, and Upbit account for more than 70% of the total trading volume. Additionally, it was stated that the volume traded through fiat pairs in the first quarter decreased from 15% to 11% in the fourth quarter. The report also discussed ongoing litigation against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). A lawsuit filed by the SEC in December 2020 alleges that executives conducted an initial public offering of XRP, deeming it an unregistered security. On April 22nd, Ripple responded to the SEC's $2 billion settlement request and did not accept this request. Ripple argued that the law does not allow the SEC to demand refunds or interest unless it can prove someone was harmed. In terms of next steps, both parties will wait for the judge to make a decision on final solutions, likely in the coming months, Ripple said. XRP declined by 0.46% on Saturday, May 18th, ending the session at $0.5215.5. Profit-taking left XRP at sub $0.525250. Zero investors considered the final stages of the SEC versus Ripple case and appeal prospects. On Sunday, May 19th, SEC versus Ripple case related chatter warrants investor attention before the Monday court filing deadline. Ripple CEO highlights important updates from Q1 market report. The XRP markets report for Q1 2024 remained the focal point for investors on Saturday. Ripple CEO BradGarlinghouse shared his views about the quarterly report on X, formerly Twitter, posting new quarter, more XRPL traction. I'm particularly excited that the native AM, arguably one of the largest updates to the XRP ledger, went live in Q1. However, XRP ended the Saturday session in the red despite the updates to the XRP ledger and a 40% surge in XRP spot volumes quarter on quarter. The quarterly report provided updates on the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case, with Ripple anticipating a court ruling in the coming months. A court ruling on the penalty Ripple must pay for breaching of securities laws will likely influence buyer demand for XRP. The SEC has pursued an almost $2 billion financial penalty in the remedies-related opening brief. Furthermore, the SEC argued for a court injunction prohibiting XRP sales to us institutional investors. If the court rules that Ripple continued breaching us securities laws after the December 2020 complaint, the court could side with the SEC. An injunction could end plans to expand in the US. Moreover, the SEC also warned that Ripple would breach us securities laws if it proceeds with the planned launch of a stablecoin. A punitive penalty, an injunction, and a possible breach of us securities laws with a stablecoin launch would be an ominous combination for XRP. There is also the ongoing threat of the SEC appealing against the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. However, it is not all doom and gloom. BradGarlinghouse has previously stated that most of its business is outside the US. Expansion into new markets could cushion the blow of an injunction in the US. This week, Ripple Managing Director for the Middle East and Africa, Reese Merrick, spoke about their expansion plans, saying, "Look, we've been in the Middle East for 4 years now under the DIFC framework. What's really attractive about the UAE and the Middle East is how friendly they are from a regulatory perspective. They're building clear frameworks which allow businesses and encourage businesses to come here and build out their operations, so we will be looking to expand quite heavily here, I would say." In 2023, Ripple made progress in the Middle East. The Dubai Financial Services Authority (DFSA) announced firms in the Dubai International Financial Center (DIFC) could use XRP in virtual asset services. At the time, BradGarlinghouse said that Ripple could continue targeting regions with regulatory transparency for cryptos. In 2024, the U.S. digital asset space remains in crypto regulatory limbo, with the SEC regulating through enforcement. The lack of a U.S. regulatory framework has forced crypto firms to explore overseas. It may hinge on the U.S. presidential election to decide the fate of the U.S. crypto space. A Republican Party victory could be a boon for XRP and the broader crypto market. An end to the Gary Gensler era of regulation through enforcement may also end SEC plans to appeal against the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. SEC plans to appeal remains an XRP headwind. If we look at the daily chart here, XRP sat below the 50-day and 200-day EMAs, confirming the bearish price trends. An XRP breakout from the 50-day EMA could give the bulls a run at the 200-day EMA. A break above the 200-day EMA could signal an XRP move toward the $0.5739.9 level. CC versus Ripple case related news needs consideration. Conversely, an XRP break below the trend lines could give the bears a run at the $0.488. The 14-day RSI reading, 49.33, indicates an XRP drop to the $0.488 level before entering oversold territory. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to stop here for now, and remember that financial markets are unpredictable. Experts can be wrong in their predictions. Therefore, it is important to do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than what you can afford to lose. The chaotic price movements can humble even the smartest and most experienced players. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting my channel. See you all in my next video.